Hello friends, welcome to this video. This is Rohit. Friends, in today's digital world, while using services like YouTube, Facebook, Gmail, and while using softwares, we need to agree certain terms of services, certain private policy. And if you don't accept, you cannot use the particular service or particular software. So in order to use, you must have to accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. But friends, the thing is that these terms of services are too long and too descriptive. So no one really reads them. They just try to click on I have read and agree to terms of services. So many of us might be doing same thing. Okay, no one try to read what terms of services the service provider has specified. No one try to go through it. So nowadays I have read and agree to terms of services. This is the biggest lie on the web. So almost no one try to really reads the terms of services, and we are all agree to these terms of services all the time. So friends, in today's video we are going to understand first of all what are these terms of services, privacy policy, and then I am going to tell you about one community project. So this project basically represent the terms of services in easy language, so that will be understood by everyone. So let's start. Now friends, first of all I will try to talk about the terms of services and privacy policy. Okay, so what are these terms of services? So these terms of services are basically legal agreement between the service provider and a person who wants to use the service. For example, YouTube is a service where you are trying to view the videos online. So YouTube is providing online video streaming service. So likewise, you have different services available on internet. So most of the time, terms of services are attached with the piece of software by its providers. So terms of services can be applied to web-based applications as well as software products. Before you can use certain piece of software, you need to agree to the regulations in terms of services. Then and then only you can use the particular service or particular software product. If you deny, you cannot install that product or you will not able to use that service. So in the similar context, one more concept you have called EULA. So it stands for End User License Agreement. So End User License Agreement are attached with software product like video games, word processing softwares, etc. So basically terms of services and end user license agreement are near about same. So terms of services are basically applied to the services, whereas end user license agreement are applied to the software products. Friends, the main use of terms of services is to define the list of actions that user can't perform with given service. So what actions are prohibited on certain service that user cannot perform, that are specified within terms of services actually. So for example, terms of services agreement for web application like YouTube may prohibit or prevent user from posting certain contents that others would find offensive. Okay, so such kind of restrictions may be available within the terms of services. Okay, depend on what kind of service you are trying to use. In short, terms of services act as an contract between a service provider like YouTube and the people that are using the service like all of us. One more important thing we need to remember here, that the websites are not required to have a terms of services agreement. They are legally required to have a privacy policy. Now what is privacy policy? So these are the policies that are meant to protect the sensitive data of the users, like the name of user, mail ID of user, address of user, phone number of user, etc. So friends, when you accept the terms of services agreement, so website owners are confirming that you are not violating the strict regulations while using their services. So if you do so, then they have full right to delete your account and terminate your membership. Friends, these terms of services may be available with name, terms of use, terms and condition, or disclaimer. Okay, all these are having same meaning. Now friends, I will try to tell you about the community project called TOS, that is TOS DR. So it stands for Terms of Services Don't Read. So this is basically a community project which aims to analyze and grade the terms of services and privacy policy of major internet sites and services. So in this project, each aspect of terms of services is assessed as positive, negative, or neutral. So services are graded from grade A, which is best, to grade E, which is worst. And this project was started in 2012 by Hugo Roy and Michael De Jong. And friends, the website name is tosdr.org. Now friends, I will try to show you how you can use this TOSDR website for understanding the terms of services and privacy policy of some of the major websites and web applications over the internet. So first of all, start your web browser and search for tosdr.org. So friends, this is the home page of tosdr.org website. Here you can see terms of services didn't read, and they are saying that I have read and agreed to the terms is the biggest lie on the web, and their aim, their motto is to fix that. So they are creating awareness about the terms of services and privacy policy, so anyone can understand what are particular terms of services and privacy policy mean. Okay, so here if you scroll down, you will find the list of popular web applications and websites and their related terms of services. Friends, before going further, I will try to tell you about the classification concept. For example, here you can see the Facebook website is categorized under grade E. Now how they are obtaining this grade E, how they are classified Facebook under grade E, so that I will try to show you. Now if you scroll down to the bottom of website, you will find one classification link here. So here you can see how they are categorizing particular web application or website under particular grade. So friends, on this project, the terms of services are reviewed by the contributors and they are divided into small points, so that can be discussed, compare, and after that they assign particular badge to that point. So for example, good, bad, blocker, or neutral. Later on, based on the number of badges the terms of services has, a class is assigned to it, like grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D, or grade E. So grade A means these terms of services are treating fairly and they are respecting your rights and will not abuse your data. And at worst you will find grade E. So here the terms of services raise very serious concerns regarding users data, users right, and in between you will find grade B, grade C, grade D. So each particular web application will have certain grade based on the number of reviews it has. So now I will go back. So here we can see now Facebook is categorized under grade E, and you can see here the colors. So first statement is Facebook stores your data whether you have an account or not. So this is bad from point of view of user, that's why it is appearing within the red color. Okay, then you can see next, this service keeps user logs for an undefined period of time. Again, this is bad. Okay, your identity is used within the advertisement that are shown to other users as well. This is again in red color. Likewise, you can see here all the details. So whenever you will use Facebook, all these things will be applicable to you because you have accepted the terms of services while signing up with the Facebook. Okay, and in front of this you can see there is a briefcase symbol. It means that if you want to see the other applications which also uses same kind of point within their terms of services, so click on it. It will show you the list of cases. You can see here now, these are all the list of applications which has same point. So for example, I will show you on Twitter. You can see they have specified within their terms of services that we receive information when you view the content on or otherwise interact with our services, which we refer as long data, even if you have not created an account. Okay, like this you can see Instagram is there, okay, Google is there, Adobe is there, Yahoo is there. So you will find so many popular web applications. Now you can see here it is showing that Facebook uses cookies and receives information when you visit those sites and apps. Okay, so including your device information about your activity, any further action from you, it all will be accessible by the Facebook. So there is no matter whether you are login or not login, still they are accessing your information. So here you can see they have shown only 5 points from the terms of services. If you want to go through all, here you can see view all points on Phoenix. So click on this. So now here you can see the list of all points from terms of services will be in front of you. Okay, and whether they are good, whether they are bad, whether they are neutral, okay, all that things you can observe here. Okay, as well as their status, and here below you will find their update history, how they have changed their terms of services. Okay, all that history you can observe here. Okay, regarding Facebook. So like this you can check the terms of services regarding applications. Now here you can see Amazon is categorized under grade E. Okay, Reddit is there again within grade E. So here they have provided one text box for searching particular service. So for example, let's search for Twitter. So you can see here it is also categorized under E. Okay, and here you can see the list of terms of services. Okay, now so for example I will search for DuckDuckGo. So here you can see DuckDuckGo has grade A. Okay, and you can see here the details. Most of the points are green, means they are good. Okay, and some of them are neutral. Okay, so the service do not track you, no need to register. Cookies used by this service do not contain information that would potentially identify you personally. Okay, list of the points you can see here. So like this you can search for particular web application or web service here. Okay, so friends, do check the terms of services for various web applications and websites and try to know more about them, how they are using your data, how they are collecting your data. Okay, So friends, while signing up with particular web service next time on web, don't forget to visit the tosdr.org website and check what terms of services and privacy policy the service is presenting to you. Okay, and then go for sign up process. Friends, if you find this video useful, please like and share this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you for watching.